Are you facing challenges with delayed rent payments and legal disputes due to missing features? The Hinawi Real Estate Management System is here to simplify your processes. It allows you to record post-dated checks in a dedicated account for easy tracking. You can update tenants' security deposit accounts when creating new leases, ensuring accurate financial tracking from the get-go. Automatically distribute revenues to designated accounts upon contract creation, streamlining your financial management. Furthermore, track every check under collection in the specified account according to your settings, enhancing accuracy in collections. The system ensures monthly distribution of deferred revenues throughout the contract period and compliance with company policies when registering leases. Enforce mandatory steps before saving a contract to guarantee data accuracy and minimize human errors during data entry. Track every edit or deletion made to a lease contract and address tax recording in contracts to avoid potential fines. With Hinawi Real Estate Management System, lease management becomes more accurate and secure.